All right, sorry about the delay there. Oh man, I had a lot of things happen at the last minute, but hey, we're here, right? That's not even my headphone, my headset. Oh, oh, hey, never mind. All right. All right, so I just woke up, so I'm sorry, guys. I woke up. It's 3:30. I think I woke up at like 2:30, so I didn't get a lot of sleep. But today I'm getting wrecked learning Zig. How's everyone doing? Let's see. How many people are on the stream? That's what I really want to know. Like, if you're not on the stream, you better get on the freaking stream, right? All right. Um, okay, so we got a few hits. Okay, good. Let's see. All right. Okay, so there is. Okay, so they had a few views here a while ago. They'll come back on. All right. Very good. Right, I got somebody doing some yard work outside. All right, so I got something interesting. Let's take a look here. Um, all right. Let me just take a look at that. All right. Very good. Ah. Mm, okay. So be sure to buy me one of these. Oh, hey. See here. Probably should put the camera on here. Oh, okay. No, but wasn't it? Okay. Maybe like anyway. So guys, hey, thanks for tuning in. I apologize for like all the delay and everything else. I had like a million things go on all at once. I haven't even eaten. I've just barely woken up, so it's probably gonna have an effect on how I learn and all that shit, right? That's what they say anyway. I don't know if that's true, but I'm gonna eat in about an hour into it, and so yeah. Anyway, I hope your coffee is as good as mine. Hell, I hope it's better. So let's get wrecked learning Zig, shall we? All right. So, this looks pretty interesting. All right. So we have the hello world, right? I think actually, if I'm not mistaken, um, so I should be able to just do. All right. So I fixed my auto switch, which is good. So I should be able to. Let's think it's like that. All right. All right. TMS sig. So as far as I'm understanding, SRC name. So we should have hello world right here somewhere. Right? Maybe. Okay, no, this is where it calls it. Okay. Okay, so basically just a function of some sort. Okay. All right. Very good. I'm hoping a couple more people drop by, want to learn Zig, that sort of thing. Welcome. Leave me a chat. Let me know if my volume's good. All right. And I think actually my volume probably is, but going to do something here. Make sure we're blue. Yep. All right. Let's see here. Okay. I think that's going to be a little bit better. All right, guys. So, all right. So this is a root source file when making a library. If you are making an executable. Okay. So by convention, rootzig is the root source file when making a library. If you are making an executable, and I'm already seeing here, I'm getting wrecked, right? So to make a comment, you do that. I didn't know that. Okay. Can I just do this? No, I can't because I need to have that comment plugin. Okay, thank you, Gigi. Gigi Casa. Very good. Where are you from, Gigi? So, all right. We got one thing kind of out of the way. I learned how to make a comment. Hey guys, I think that's the first thing you usually learn anyway, right? All right. All right. Alrighty. Let's see here. CDX. Oh, you're a Romanian from the UK. Oh, okay. Okay, that's cool. Oh, all right. I'm looking for some a note taking. I've already kind of taken some notes on this, I thought. Okay. No. Okay. Never mind. I have some notes somewhere on Zig. I'll have to find it. Good deal. All right. So Vim, Zig. I got so many notes going around. All right. Very good. So anyway, so you're a Romanian from UK. All right. And are you into programming or are you a developer or what's the deal? All right. Let's see here. Uh, um. All right. It's gonna take me a while of basic syntax. All right. Um, all right. So anyway, very good. I see somebody kind of blew me up a minute ago. I'm kind of wondering about that. All right. Um, maybe they did or didn't. I'm not sure. Ben, are you in here? I heard Ben was supposed to be here, but maybe not. I don't know. He probably isn't. He's not into programming all the time. All right. So who else is in the house? Isak. Yes, das. Oh, Red Hat right after Ubuntu. Okay. I feel sorry for any Red Hat users. uh, I'm actually I feel sorry because like I think Red Hat users get lumped in with like say like the Red Hat developers. Hmm. Okay. Okay. What is that doing? All right. Well, all right. Sorry. Debian. Okay. Mm, all right. Debian's a good yeah, Debian's good. All right. Let's go back up here. I was thinking I had a couple of people, but um very good. So you use Debian now. That's good. Uh-huh. Yeah, I would definitely use Debian. I think Debian's a really good developer platform. And the only thing is I always have trouble with my audio with Debian for some reason. Um, that's the only reason why I don't use it. That and I'm not a big fan of apt, but I can get over that. I can get over that hurdle. I've been using Fedora for a while. I've been using Aurora DX, which is part of like the uBlue series. But I'm about ready to can it. I like the project. Don't get me wrong. There's things I like. I don't like this whole like Wayland push thing. Yeah, I know that I'm a little weird that way, but I really don't like the Wayland push. All right. I'm just having my cup of coffee and trying to get okay, standard debug print. Is that the deal? STD. Okay, so mhm. All right. So that's probably what we'll do. All right. So oh right. All righty. Well, anyway, welcome, Gigi. I don't know if I've seen you in here, but if I have, welcome back. I can't remember, but all right. Writing some cool notes. Oh, really? That's got to be pretty interesting. Yeah, yeah. Testing plasma six on an old Intel Celeron. Wow. Yeah, I have plasma six Wayland, and I have a love hate relationship with it. I think I'm gonna go back. Um, I don't mind adopting Wayland and seeing like what I can do with it, but I don't know if I want that like on main my main driver yet. I'm you know, there's a lot of really cool stuff on Wayland. Don't like I know a lot of people, I don't like the politics of what went down with like say Ex Libre, for example, and how that came about, right? I don't like the politics of that. But I do have to say, like, Wayland is the future. I mean, I think that part is apparent unless we come up with something better, which I'm not against. I'm not opposed to that idea of coming up with something better. Okay. Um, mhm. So, anyway, yeah, I actually am about ready to put out a video kind of crapping on Wayland a little bit, but I just I my whole thing though with the whole Wayland thing is that like I think that Wayland is better when X11 is better because you can't get away with the X Wayland compatibility layer. You're on a couple of different chats. That's cool. Oh, right. Yes. Yeah, they do. They must be continued. Unfortunately, I don't know that everyone really agrees with me on that. Right. All right. Anyway, I'm just getting my coffee, right? Because I need to wake up. Oh, I just woke up about a half hour ago. So, no, you're great. You're great. No problem. All right. Let me get me a goal here. I need to get me a goal for a super chat. 2 hours. All right. All right. Let's, anyway, I got me a goal now. Let's see what that happens. Thank you. Uh, all right. So since I'm not making a standard library, I think we're gonna do exactly what they proposed. We're going to remove root. All right. So let's read this document. A lot of times, some of these, like sometimes when you get into something like this, all the defaults, they kind of let you know what's going on. A standard error, it's a shortcut based on STIO STD error. Oh, okay. Well, okay. So it's kind of like a the yeah, it's kind of like the C version. Okay. Standard out is for actual output of your application. For example, if you are implementing gzip, then only the compressed byte should be sent to standard out, not any debugging messages. Interesting. And standard out, um, okay. So like you're gonna go IE writer buffer standard out file BW writer. I don't know what that is. We're gonna have we're gonna have a lot of stuff here, so okay, there's some chords. All right. Okay, so this comes at the bottom, not on the top. I don't know why. There's got to be a reason. My experience as a programmer is that there is always a reason. Get some tunes on. I know I can't I can't listen to like all my favorite tunes with you, like because they'll say, "Oh my God, you're a horrible person. We're gonna demonetize you." All that good stuff, right? But let's see what we can. Something went wrong, huh? Let's do that. I think soft jazz is good. Ooh, I did not choose that. Where's my? There we go. Dude, doesn't that tell me if I'm tripping? Doesn't that look like Miklo from Blood In, Blood Out? Right here. That guy looks like Miklo. I guess he was a famous jazz guy or something. I don't know who it was, but hey, cool. I try to get like some good programming music. I can't listen to like a song that I know. I'll I'll be listening to the song. All right. So anyway. Okay. So I think this right. Oh, where is okay, so it just that right there? All right. Um mm, all right. Okay. All right. The all right, hold on. Let me see here. It's like that, right? Good deal. And we might hold on. So very good. Just when I type these things out, it helps me remember. T out. All right. I know this is a little slow, but so I don't know how this is going to work. But anyway, you wanted to see it in real time, okay. Oh, I'm just writing some mess. I'm writing some stuff here. So anyway. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm feeling, right? So buy me a cup of coffee or something. Give me a super chat. All right, we like it. All right, perfect. All right, so now we're doing good. Um, I just wanted to um kind of get started here, but I like to like get my I like to get like sorry. I like to get a lot of my notes kind of in order. That way I'm writing notes and figuring things out as I go. It's kind of a slow process. It's probably slower than what most people do. But at the end of the day, I find I actually absorb most of it. And I even do things like if I really need to memorize something, I'll get my notebook out, right? So I'll get my notebook out and go from there, right? So anyway, there's that. Hey Ben, how are you? I thought you were like not coming on or something, but okay. Very good. Hey, good to see you, Ben. So anyway, we are on our way to learning something. All right. All right. Very good. Okay. So anyway, there's that. I have my notes, my chat. Very good. Um anyway, yeah. And actually, I wanted to switch back. Why don't I do this? I got a better idea. Much better idea. Oh, come on, man. Really? Just want to. Oh. Oh, right. Come right over here. Windows. Right there. All right. I think that's good. Anyway, how are you doing, Ben? I'm going to get to your Zig here real soon. Soon enough. I promise. I'm glad to see you. All right. That looks pretty snazzy. Maybe bring that in a little bit. And let's do that. So that way it doesn't show everything on my screen. Looks pretty freaking snazzy, wouldn't you say? Yeah, that's what I thought. That I like that. Sometimes I can't do that before the stream begins, so. All right. So anyway, let's get started, man. I'm thinking, okay, basic syntax. There's a few keywords. So we probably want to have some keywords. Some of them I can guess, but so const, I can guess. Like, I think that's like a constant variable. Good. That's good. I think this is a constant variable, maybe. We're going to, I don't know this though, so I think the further I get into this, the further I'm going to check my assumptions. Whoa. I think this is going to be a local variable. Again, I am going to check my assumptions here in a minute. Okay. So I'm just looking at some of the keywords that I'm seeing. So I know that like all of these are key. Like I don't think this fn, that's a function name, but this pub, I think that is a something. Like I think that is a keyword of some sort. Like, but it's like regarding a function. But I don't know what it is yet. I'm waiting for the explanation. Okay. So there's a few things. So wait a minute here. Oh, okay. Oh, right. Okay. Never mind. And then I'm going to basically start recording some of the libraries and that sort of thing. Now I'm going to just try to put it all together. That's at least usually how I would go about learning a new language, right? So we have try. So let's take a look at this. So we have try, which is an exception, I'm pretty sure. Then you probably say handler, exception handler. Okay. I think that's pretty reasonable. Defer. Defer. Oh, there we go. That was weird. I have no idea what defer is. So I'm going to leave that. I mean, I know what the word defer means. All right. All right. We got a little background noise, but I think we're good. So we have defer. All right. So I think we're doing good. This is a little slow, I understand. And PUB, I think, is also something. I don't know if that's a public function or I have no idea. I'm not even going to guess. I have zero idea of what any of that is. Okay, so now we have some libraries. Let's say, all right. Hey Ben, Gigi, I hope your coffee's better than mine. So the first person to give me 1,000 pesos, I will drink a beer live on the stream. How about that? Just kidding. So anyway, let's see. Well, no, actually, I'm not. Okay, so there are some real okay. So I think that I would probably use this one. Right, sorry. Print. Okay. And I think this is just print method. This is my guess, right? Because I know I'm going to be checking some of these assumptions and I don't know what in it is. That's interesting. Let's see here. I know that people probably just want to see me get into and start coding. I don't know what that is. So I like to come I like to come in and when I'm how do I say it? Like when I'm just getting started, I like to just get my marbles in order. I like to get my ducks in a row. I don't like this. I don't like I don't I don't really like I don't know how to explain it. Like I think it's just that I just woke up. So anyway, I got to sleep a little late today. You know, you could probably guess why. If you've been married for 25 years, you know. Yeah. Anyway, okay, so we have an array list, right? So I know what an array is in most programming languages, right? It's just a basic list. You know what I like about this already is that they don't have like tuples and they probably do, but so far they just have a list. Um and I don't know if that is the standard array list in a testing allocator. Um, okay, so all right. I don't know what dn it is, but that sounds pretty important actually. And so basically, I have zero idea what that is. I think that's just appends data structure to the or item. I'll just say item. Item. All right. All right. Anyway, here we go. And we have a bunch of others like writer and stand. I don't know what any of those are. I'm just gonna do that as I go. Oh, we have pop. Pop is definitely going to be there. Uh let's see here. Ah, pop item. Pop's the last item. I'm pretty sure that's pop usually, but I'm not sure. All right. This is really fun already. Kind of. All right. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. Um, let's get rid of my tests. Now I know a lot of people probably will kind of laugh at my method here, my learning method, but it kind of works because now once I start putting some of this together, I will be able to run through this language. And it usually only takes me like 3 or 4 days, and I'm writing programs, which is what I want to do. Like, I don't have the kind of experience where like I can take a look at like something C based and go, wait a minute, that looks similar. So, hey, let me just, run through this. I just don't, unfortunately. All right. Um, all right. So, import std. All right. fm main void. Okay. So, fm main void. Okay. std debug print. Right? I don't know what all this is. Standard debug print. Maybe. I'm looking for a way to memorize it. Debug. Actually, I can go ahead and just erase that too, right? And I saw the other day, I saw something on my keyboard. Oh, it was on this keyboard. Never mind. I do have. Okay. So it's just a comma, dot, curly braces, semicolon. Okay. All right. So everybody's awfully silent, man. What's going on, man? Okay, so I thought it was like that, but no. Dot curly braces. I'm sure I'm going to know what all these curly braces are here in a minute. All right. Let's see. Man, I hate this. I used to be able to just switch back and forth. This is what I'm talking about, folks. I'm gonna have to figure that out. Let's do this. I want to see some kind of like all right. So now we'll come out here and sig build run. Yeah, I think it's just sig build run. Oh, snap, snap. Yes. Shh. I forgot. Build zig. Okay, so this one. think actually that should work. Whoa. I'm not sure. Okay. Let's see what else. Okay. What? Oh. Okay. So, all right. All right. So I got that wrong. Okay. All right. Oh my God. I just forgot. Is Sig run? I think it is. Sig run SRC main. Here we are. All right. It went through a lot of checks. That was a little slow, but you could do. Is the next one build? I couldn't remember. All right. So the next one is still build exe. All right. So we have a easy way of so you could do zig build exe src main. All right. Oh, okay. So if it builds it, then how do I run it? All right. All right. This is interesting. I've already gotten my hands dirty a little bit. This is cool, man. All right. So I know it's a little slow, but I like to just kind of just slowly get into it. And again, I'm doing like I'm getting all my bases, all my ducks in a row. Oh, okay. So I did that. So now I should be able to do SRC main zip, right? Oh, what? Oh, right. So if you chmod, gotta make it probably executable. Oh, all right. So they didn't like that for whatever reason. Look at line one. Oh, right. So if I'm going to run that, so it would be the same. Okay. So it would be, I bet you anything, it's going to be zig run toasting main. It's the same thing. or what? Let's see. Does this work? Like Python? No. Okay. All right. So we're learning something. We are definitely learning something. All right. So if I wanted, so if I said which zig or FD zig, okay. All right. FD user bin Etsy in zig. No. I think you could do that. Oh, forget. Okay. Um, how about just okay. And all right, let me see here. Let's see where. Something like that, maybe. Cause see, they're screaming in it. Root zig, root zig. All right, let me see something. I'll bet you I can find it. Okay. Sudo date db. Man, that's taking forever. All right, let's see what we got here. This is a bad way of saying it, but I just need to. User bin im zig run. Yeah, there we go. There we go. This is what I was looking for. Okay. All right. That took too long. I don't know if it's going to be sig run or. So let's see here. Let's try that. Oh, right. I was pretty sure that was. Hmm. Oh, huh. So it ain't that. That's weird. Oh. So it should be able to just. Oh, snap. All right. All right. What? They must have a Mac, is what the deal is. Okay, so I actually don't like this. Mm, oh, so for a long time ago, they removed that ability. That's it. User bin. Oh, all right. All right. That's kind of what I was thinking. So let's see if that works. All right. I always for okay, so they're really, really not liking whatever it was I did. All right. All right. They're not liking that. All right. What is it that I did? Suppose is there like an indentation error? Maybe. What the hell did I do? All right. Oh, I see. Let's try that. Oh yeah. So I didn't think that was really that important. All right. What in the? All right. All right. Let's see here. Something is really going on. All right. Let's see here. Best way is just to copy and paste and then compare them. Maybe I made an error that I'm not seeing. That looks good. Oh, I see. All right, there's no space here. That was it. All right. All right, good deal. Getting used to syntax. This is always fun. Oh. Hmm. What in the hell is going on? Let's ask. Okay. All right. I'm gonna cheat a little bit. And let me see something. I might have. This is kind of how I learned. Okay. So Zig build exe. Okay. So let's try that. Zig build exe c main. All right. Maybe I gotta wait a minute. Okay. Um, oh, 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 right. Okay. Good deal. So let's see if I got the compiled binary. Ah, woo! Praise the Lord. Okay. All right. I kind of got this now. So I didn't realize. Okay. So there's a main and main. That should be right on. Okay. Sorry about that. How long have I been silent? Nobody said anything. Oh, man. All right. We're cool, though. So I figured that out. So actually, I didn't figure it out. ChatGPT told me. So let's take a look at this because I'm sure they're going to talk about it right here. See. Oh, snap. That was what was throwing me off. Okay. Okay. So I made an assumption because okay, I didn't realize there was a binary that was built. Okay. That's what I had. Man, I think I need thicker glasses or something. What do you guys think? Oh, that was a mess. What do you guys think? Who's still in the chat, man? Somebody better like speak up or scream or smoke like uh yeah, they better like say something or do something or something or I don't know. Okay, sounds good. Who else? Ooh, live viewers too? That sounds cool. All right. I would hope for more, but I won't argue. You gotta check out my new video of graping Ubuntu, or attempting to anyway, because I'm going to succeed. It is so close, I can taste it. I don't know, like, all right, very good. Anyway, I guess there's a couple of viewers. All right, all right. So anyway, just checking, touching base. All right, very good. So now I've already learned a ton. Like, I've already learned a ton of Zig, which is good. All right. All right. So anyway, I've already just learned a ton. I learned a valuable lesson. Took me a while to figure it out, but I think actually this is okay. So this is weird. So here we assign the value true to the bool constant C. Constants are immutable, so the value of C cannot change. Ooh, immutable constant variable. Okay. They can change. Okay, so this is just a mutable variable. This is good. Um, Note that the compiler can often infer types for you. I see. So, okay, I kind of see this. So basically, what they're saying is that the compiler can infer the types if they've already been declared. So the first time you declare like a variable, for example, like right here, you have to include this semicolon, I think, right? However, now, now that you've declared it, now you can infer the type, I think is how it goes. Or something. Oh, no. No, yeah, you have to. Yeah, so. Oh, right. So that's a Boolean. Okay, so you can. Oh, wow, that's interesting. So right here, if there's a equal true, it this constant inferred immutable this constant immutable value is just going to be inferred. It's going to be assumed, right? Now, or you could manually declare it. Interesting. Actually, guys, in a way, this is not nearly as hard as I was thinking it was going to be. I've actually had a little bit of fun today. So say, so just so that I get um used to the syntax. Um, I actually like the syntax for some reason. I think I'm crazy. I think there's something wrong with me, Ben. All right. Um, let's do something else. I do think I want to have a side by side situation. All right. Just cause this is gonna take forever otherwise. So const c bool. So true. So when I am declaring the type, I have to use a semicolon. So that part I did have right. Oh yeah. So here we go. Var v bool was false. Was true. All right. Now this one's going to be really interesting. Equals true. Var u bool was undefined. I am really curious what this is going to return. Now you're going to do this. Ah, oh, no, 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 no. I forget. How do I? No. I don't want to retype all that. Redo in new. I forget what it is because I haven't used it in a long time. I didn't make a new change. Let's see what this says. Oh, right. Either this or that. Oh, uh, oh man, that sucks. Okay, no problem. Trying to save myself some typing, but this is good practice. Okay, so let's do this. Const C bool equals true. Right at the end too, man. Var b bool equals false. B equals true. I see const bird equals true for you. Bool equals undefined equals true. There we go. Equals C. I don't know. It looks like something's wrong there. It might just be me, but is it just me or? Hmm. Oh, okay. That's what we're saying. There we go. That looks a little bit more uniform. This is why. All right. This is really good. All right. That worked. All right. Very good. All righty. Well, I got through two. That one was actually fairly easy. And then if I wanted, so I was calling the, I think this is calling the function, maybe right here. Constant C. I'm not sure how I would call the other one. All right. So I'm going to take my first break. I will be right back. All right. So I will be back in about, I don't know, 10 or 15. I got to go eat. I haven't eaten anything yet. So anyway, we're doing great. We're learning. I'm going to be a Zig developer. I'm telling you, I'm going to pull this off. So anyway, yes. Isaac, ¿todavía estás? Are you still there? All right. So, sorry about that. I had to take a little longer than I was expecting. I just had to go eat and that sort of thing. So, I hadn't eaten and I was just a little under the, just a little kind of feeling it, you know? So, now I think I'm ready for learning. Think. Yeah. Wow, guys. So this Zig thing is pretty interesting so far. Um like I know people they like to like get wrecked by trying to build something, but I'm just not there. I'm not ready. I got a little bit of C under my belt, but hey. All right. So, anyway, who's still with me? Give me a shout out. Oh yeah. I would drink a beer with y'all, but I gotta go exercise here in about an hour, so maybe hour and a half. I gotta go exercise for an. I think I'm just gonna try and do an hour today, but I gotta exercise for sure. Uh, all right. So anyway, I'm back. I'm just cleaning my glasses really good because right now, man, my eyes are strained a little bit today. I don't know why. Don't even care actually why, but yeah. I really ooh, I got an idea. Okay. That would be kind of cool. Isaac, so échame un grito si todavía estás. Ben, let me know if you're still there. Gigi, just let me know if you're still around. Let's see. Do I have anybody in my hopefully people revisit or something if they left. Supposedly I have. Let's see. Oh man. Oh, I got a live streamer. Good. It's not me. So all right. So let me know who else is getting wrecked by Zig. Um, see here. Should be one or two. Anyway, Isaac, it's good to see you. You're probably busy. Uh, all right. All right. Good deal. All righty. So, uh, let's see how my new video is doing. It's gotta have like some. Oh, Not too bad. Not great, but a lot of people liked it. Okay, out of 30. That's actually really positive. All right, let's take a look at my dashboard. In 22 minutes, it's 4 out of 10. Okay, so I got 42 views. Oh, nice. So this is actually really good. Good sign. I think if I just keep doing this, I think eventually the right people are going to see my video. But people got to see this video. It's pretty funny. I really enjoyed making this video, actually. I got another one coming out probably maybe tomorrow. Well, probably Friday will come out to all the normies, but if you want to be a member, it will be out. Should be out tomorrow. I haven't edited it yet. Oh, somebody had just like took off. What the hell is that all about? All right. They want to learn Zig. All right, that's what it is. Okay. All right. Let's see. Isak is in my. All right. Let me just let all my people know. From lunch, everyone. Hopefully that brings some people back. All right. So who posted here? Silent man. Whoever. Direct speed stream live. Oh my god. Yes. Just, yeah. Oh, we gotta see this. So anyway. What's WB? Welcome back. Okay, yeah. Man, I'm a little slow today. Oh my god. All right. So anyway, let's see here. I wanted to see that. Okay. Take a look at this. Ooh. This is pretty freaking simple. Electron and OBS. Okay, Node.js. Well, I got that. I might be able to install that. I don't know. Ooh. Yes. Oh my god. This is like, oh my, oh, hey, sorry. Oh my god. This is like the biggest F you ever. Are you, oh my god. So they just sent me this, right? Which I've been trying to do something with like Streamlabs, or I don't want to do Streamlabs, but like I want something like it, right? Because Streamlabs is an open source, right? That's first of all. And second of all, just like this person said down here, this is Streamlabs OBS. It's like pretty freaking cool, right? I do think so. But look at it, man. This is Streamlabs. Huh. I think the best thing we could do is just write a shell, like a chat, like something, which is very possible. Like either in Elixir or in Zig, that would basically use. I don't ever want to use this though. It's not open source. Um, but I like a lot of the things that Streamlabs does. I just I can't get past the not open source part. And they do a lot of things. So it says right here, OBS developers at its core, Streamlabs OBS is powered by the OBS engine. We want to thank all the developers over at the OBS project for their years of tireless hard work, which without which Streamlabs OBS wouldn't exist today. I mean, I guess it's a nice gesture, but it's kind of a big fu if you ask me. And I actually think that you could probably have like all the overlays, you could have everything you wanted if you just access the API of OBS, I think. And just like use the browser and like have like certain, times when, you know, um, like when somebody makes a donation or something like that, right? And anyway, pretty cool stuff. So, anyway, hopefully we got a couple of people back. Leave me a comment in the section below. Let me know. Um, we're doing good though. I was actually a little intimidated, so to even try this, to be honest, because everybody was like, "Oh my God, Zig is so hard." Like I saw Bash Bunny get completely wrecked by it, and I was like, "Oh my God!" And I'm sure that all the fun is about to start. But anyway, I think people, I think this is a good exercise to show people, like, um, I think this is a good exercise to show people, like, for example, if I said, does it run? Or, okay. Uh, I wonder, says it's not editor command, but that's weird. Oh, right. Not that either. Oh, wow. Huh. That's weird that that's not loaded. I tested that last like couple of days ago. Anyway, I got a couple of I guess everybody's all silent. Hey, Isaac, I hope you're still around. All right. Anyway. Ben, are you still around? Are you around again? I was trying to get the okay. So if I went like the What? That's wild. I'll have to figure out why this ain't working. Oh, I bet you I do know, actually. And it's kind of dumb. Okay, no problem. So I was trying to like stop myself. Um I think I used to just have like that. Oh, all right. I don't remember. I remember that I had turn command. I probably should get this working. YouTube DL, that would be cool. Yeah, I don't do get there anymore. All right. You didn't see that. All right, so it ain't there. What? I forget what I so if I did. I forgot that I had that. Okay. Oh. Oh. I'm looking for something that I used to have. Hmm. Maybe it's in T-Marks? Hmm. I need to redo my. I need to redo this. I'm gonna have to figure it out later. All right. All right. So I'm gonna go like this. Yeah, fuck her down like that. Probably like that. All right. Here. All right. Do I? Can I get? Okay. Good. All right. All right. That'll work. I used to have that set up automatically where I hit a key binding and it would just split it right down on the lower half. So anyway, I guess not. All right. I'm a little too relaxed. This is all right. I do my best thinking when I'm relaxed. Unfortunately, it's not good for streaming because it just gets me like in that zone, but it's not like an aggressive zone. Um, uh, I don't listen to a lot of this very often, so wow. Oh, Radiohead. I like Radiohead. Ooh, some really good. Uh, ooh, we got even Evanescence on this. Ooh, I wish I could play this with y'all. Wouldn't that be cool if there wasn't any like copyright crap? Special. And I'm a creep. How am I doing here? Let's go to integers. I'm gonna do this like 3 or 4 times. Get this really good. STD. Hey man, I got an STD, y'all. All right, I'm a creep, y'all. Yeah, cause I'm a. Okay, so they say you can copy this, right? This is interesting. Ooh, cause I'm a creep. Uh, I'm a no. What the hell am I doing here? Belong here. Oh wow, okay. So we'll just do like on. Oh boy. All right. I'm so freaking special. All right. Oh, it's 32. Sorry. Ooh. And 64. I. 4. I don't know. Wow. I'm listening to some country and western music, and I'm listening to some country and western music in Spanish, man. It was actually kind of interesting. Wow. Oh, I am really bad with integers. Wow. I'm not going to do that. All right, so let's do it. I don't have the Unicode. So we're gonna go. I think it. All right. I don't know what the hell happened here, but we're gonna get a snippet for this. I just want to get the syntax down. So let's see. Print. Uh, oh. Oh. Mm. Oh. All right. Interesting. Ooh. I can already say I like this syntax, but it's oh, I see. Okay. Interesting. So I'm going to be looking at this a lot. Bit widths. Okay. This is just like C. Okay. No problem. All right. Well, anyway, who's in the chat? Isak. I'm almost ready to write my first program. I only need to do this like 4 or 5 more times, and I think I got it. All right. So we're going to do a little something, something, something. Uh, I can't not toggle between those. All right. So let's see here. think it's right here. Hmm. I like this. All right. All right. So let's look at that. Let's go empty Mux Navigator. I got all that right here. All right. I'm not sure how to do this. I haven't ran into this particular one on my configuration, and I actually don't. Um, I, oh my God, you're fucking with me. We should be able to just do like Mm, yes. There we go. Hmm. What? Oh, they want me to run it again. Exit. Exit. All right. All right. Mm. That'll work. I can live with that. All right. I'll have to fix it later. I'm not in. No, should be able to just come down here and just. All right. All right. I like it. All right. I fixed it at least. Got it running kind of. All right. All right. Wait. All right. Let's see what we got now. Let's sometimes I get my neck bent out of shape. All right. So I'm learning a lot about a lot here. All right. So we're going to go print plus std debug print. All right. Oh, oof. It seems like they use these underscores for commas, right? Which is really interesting. Which, I mean, who's still here, man? Somebody's gotta like say something, man. Getting really lonely. Oh, I need a better keyboard, man. I'm waiting to get some money, but re- wait a minute. I'll bet you if I do main. All right. Pub. I wonder how you install linters on this because I haven't seen a single linter for Zig yet. I know there has to be bloat. Yeah, I'm kind of getting used to this. I mean, I don't type as fast as like you say TJ DeVries, but I'm kind of getting used to it. All right. Did I do something wrong? Oh, I see. That's about right. All right. I wonder if that's this. I don't know. Take a look at this. Floating points and figures. Interesting. So if I do this like 3 or 4 times, I'll have this. Dee, 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 da, 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 da. I wish I could just play the radio. I would. I mean, I don't have a problem with it. No. All right, we're doing good though. I'm enjoying this. Like, oh, shh. Mm. Oh, wow. Interesting. Oh, that's so interesting. Holy mackerel. You guys like looking at this? Who's who's still with me? Like you gotta see this. This is some crazy ass syntax. For D in parentheses, element. So for like D in element. Oh, for D in element. Right? And they have this with the okay. Forever and I really want to just like wait. I got a new complaint. Forever and a new complaint. I got a new complaint. If you, I'm doing great. How about you, Isak? You see, I'm cutting my teeth on Sig. What do you think of that? Sorry. Let's see here. Probably want to get, yeah, yeah, like more of that, right? All right. Sorry for the messy chat here. I might be able to actually. Let's just do this. You won't be able to at least read it. And then I could just do like that. Oh, I like that. That'll work. That'll work. All right. Let's see here. Yeah, that's true enough, right? Oh, you're taking a look at my title. Yeah. It's not when I can, it's just I don't feel like it. Like, I really have a hate relationship. I have a like love-hate relationship with I have a love-hate relationship with Python these days. And then we just come in here. Wait, what? I should have. Oh, I hate this. Yeah, I just get tired of doing Python all the time. So I want to do something else. Ah, my typing is horrendous, folks. Uh, Man, my auto completion is just crap right now. It wasn't like this. I'm gonna have to look into that a little further. The other day, I had it good. This is not bad syntax whatsoever. Wow, this is some crazy. Yeah, that's what I'm going to attempt to do is create a code editor in Zig. Yeah, I actually want to, but if I'm gonna do it, I'm going to make it better designed than NeoVim. which I don't think is that hard. I mean, I like a lot of things about NeoVim, don't get me wrong, but think that I think you can improve upon a lot of things. Oh, you get just like that, right? Yeah. This is some really wonky. Uh, ah. Woo. God. I'm gonna get me some. Oh wow. Ah. All right. I didn't realize that. Make it kind of readable, right? Oh, praise the Lord. Look at this. All right, we got a for loop, folks. For D. This is some crazy element. Look at this. Just some crazy ass print. Ah. Oh. Oh, praise the Lord. Wow. All right. That was oh man, that got my oof. I know I'm basically just copying code, but I'm getting used to the syntax, getting the muscle memory and stuff. All right. Look at that. Oh, what do we got here? Somebody didn't like something. Did uh-huh. Did I? Let's see if there's something to this. I don't think so. I think. Oh, right, right. Gotcha. Yes, you're right. You're right. Yep. So this const print equals td debug. I thought I had already done that, but okay. I remember. There we are. Let's see here. Oh, hold on. Ah, gotcha. Ah, I like. Ooh, interesting. Okay, good. So take a look at this for a sec. So this is, all right. So this is the C. We have a length of C, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's see. Let's repeat any. So we're going to do, but, oh, A times 2, right? So A, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So if you put B, it'd be 4, 5, 6, 4, 5. Okay, gotcha. All right. And A plus B. So that's a concatenation. Okay. All right. Praise. Then here, this for loop. So for element, uh, for element in D, so you go 1, 2, 3, print element. I still don't understand this part of it, right here, this last part. Like, I understand, like, are you. Oh. So this is kind of like a. Okay, I know. I get it now. It's like I forget what you call it in Python and other languages. It's like what they used before, like F strings. Oh, all right. Praise. So I can leave like an empty value here. Uh, so let's take a look at our handiwork, shall we? Okay. All right. Here we defined an array using the array letter. Here we define array size of. compiler to, in this case, 3. Okay, so if it was, okay, I gotcha. So how long, okay. Here we define an array with an anonymous list literal. I didn't. Here we define using an anonymous list literal. So I see. So if they would have defined this, so let's test out my theory. I'm saying, um, mm, 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 mm. So if I said 10, 10, 11, 12, and then everything all at once. Oh, okay. So you would set the creeps. So if it would be like this. I'm interested to see what happens. Okay. So, all right. So you could either have like a constant, but if I had a variable, sometimes I give myself the creeps. I'll have to look more into that. That's really interesting. Oh, praise the Lord. All right. Oh, we got pointers, everyone. Ah. Oh, let's check it out. You might be right. You might be right. Uh, I have no, no. All right, but it could be like, no, I don't think it is. I don't think there's a let in. I think it's gonna be like I-32. It's going. Oh, okay, I know exactly what it is. It's gonna be like this. Actually, I figured it out. It's gonna be like that. Oh, stop! I'm trying to get rid of my habit of doing that. Ooh, ooh. Hmm. Okay. I think my we tried this, and I think it might be. Uh, oh, right, right. Okay, I expected it. Uh, all right, I'm gonna try something here. Let's see here. Okay. Oh, okay. All righty. I got it. All right, let's sure. Let's hmm. Wow, this is interesting. This is going to be very interesting. This is definitely very strict. This is probably the strictest programming language I have ever seen. This is stricter than C. At least that's my impression. No, I'm good. All right. Okay, so let's go back up here. That's what I had done before. All right. So let's just see what this does. Man, come on, man. D 0 equals. Let's just try this. Ooh, yeah, buddy. Oh, that replaces. I gotcha. Okay, so you're going to use a mutable variable to just change one of the elements. Otherwise, you would use const. Gotcha. Because it would be. All right. Wow. Woo! Well, wow. That's pretty freaking snazzy, I gotta say. Anyway, I've been on here for 4 hours. I didn't really hardly get anything accomplished, other than I got a big understanding on how this works, which is good. So next I'll be doing pointers. I'll probably be doing this throughout the night, just figuring some shit out. So anyway, guys, I gotta get out of here. I gotta go to work. So anyway, Isak, it's always good to see you. And I will be back very soon. So hopefully, I don't know if I'll stream tomorrow. I might. This is some really fun stuff. Yeah. I do plan on doing a lot more of this and doing a lot more elixir and that sort of thing. So, yeah, very good. So, anyway, I hope everyone has a great day, and I hope I just you might have learned something just through me struggling through this a little bit. That's kind of what this is all about, right? All right, Isak. All right, friend. And as always, I just want to thank you special people, Isak, Scrub Ghost, Russell, and be sure to check out my new video out that I just released today. Actually released yesterday to members if you'd like to become one. Anyway, I tried to grape Ubuntu and I kind of recorded the process and made kind of a funny video. So people are really, really digging it though. So go check it out.